Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see that if you have recently recorded the screen recording or a kind of camera recording, video recording, whatever from your mobile phone, and if you want to rename that, as we can see, if I go to the AI gallery, we have a couple of videos. And if we go back to albums, we also have a screen recording right here. So I want to rename this because by default the name will be something like this. Let me show you. If I click on this three dots and click on info, the screen recording name will be something like this. So let's see how we can rename this. All we have to do is just go back and locate the file manager. If you can't see on your desktop screen, just go to the menu and search for the file manager. Now once you are in the file manager, just click on the browse option right here and just click on my phone and go to movies. Now in some phones it is file manager, in some this is my phone, whatever. So in some phone you might see the mobile name itself, so but the options are pretty much the same. So once you are here, just scroll down and go to movies, and here you can see the screen recording folder. Just go in here, and from here you can just select that, and on the bottom you can see this three dots for more options, right? So click here and click on rename, and from here we can rename this. So for example, video 200. This is the video numbers that I want to prefer it according to the numbers, video numbers. So let's click on done, and this is how you do it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to learn more about amazing tips and tricks on the Android mobile phone, you can join the complete playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.